Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Love by Chaitanya, and today we have a lot of things to cover and there are so many new leaks about the Galaxy S9. So guys, first of all, a lot of Galaxy S9 renders have surfaced, and I mean a lot of renders. EV-Leaks, a well-reputed Twitter leakster, a few days ago posted this. And it just blew up. Every single person posted that the Galaxy S9 looks ugly and the bezels have increased, but this image actually shows the front of the device and hides the curved display. To clear this up, EV-Leaks posted this image, which shows us the curved display and also the bezel on the side remains the same. It will be just like an upgrade like the Galaxy S7 Edge, with the curved display more curvier than the Galaxy S6 Edge. And in further leaks, the Galaxy S9 looks very normal and the side bezel seems all gone like the Galaxy S8. But notice one thing, the chin bezel looks a little thinner than the Galaxy S8. And in further factory CAD renders confirmed that the chin bezel has been decreased a bit and the top bezel remains the same. And guys, one thing you may have noticed that all the pictures had that violet wallpaper. That is because it is official leaked wallpaper of the Galaxy S9. It is supposed to show off that the Galaxy S9 will have a violet color option. I don't know about you, but I don't think that the violet color Galaxy S9 will look so great. But hey, that's just me. But I think a white colored Galaxy S9 will just look sick. Moving on, the Galaxy S9 will come with the new Bixby 2.0, which will be a great improvement over the original Bixby. Apparently, the Bixby 2.0 was introduced 3 months ago and has been improving these past few months. The Bixby 2.0 will let users talk to the assistant continuously. This means that they may only have to say "Hi Bixby" once and will be able to effortlessly give follow-up voice commands to the assistant. Just imagine, you will say "Hi Bixby" once and then you can infinitely talk to the Bixby without needing to say "Hi Bixby" again. And for the exciting news, the leakers have discovered a new way to unlock your device. That is going to be in the Galaxy S9 and it is amazing. We know that the Galaxy S9 will sport an iris scanner and you will be able to unlock your device with face unlock as well. But there is a new way too. The feature is called Intellingent Scan. Leaked video shows us that the new unlock feature will scan your face and irises at the same time, further increasing the security and at the same time decreasing the unlocking time. The video also shows us that the new feature will be able to work in almost any lighting conditions. So watch out Apple, Samsung is coming. And finally, we have more leaks about the price and the launch date of the Galaxy S9. So bad news guys, the Galaxy S9 reportedly is going to be around 10% more expensive than the Galaxy S8, and I just feel like that it is just not right. The phones are getting more and more expensive. I, being a hardcore Samsung S series fanboy, still think that the Galaxy S9 might be priced too high. I mean, look at OnePlus 5T. The device is almost 3/5 the price of the Galaxy S8 and still is faster than the Galaxy S8. And the pre-orders reportedly will start at 2nd of March in South Korea and will be open till 8th of March. With that said, let me know down in the comments, do you think that the Galaxy S9 will be priced too high for its own good? I hope you like this video. For upcoming content, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya signing off.